Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Ford Focus Trend Hatch, stock reference number 4824. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 and runs all the way to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack head unit, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.